So today I'm going to be showing you my bird skin. This time holding him. Say hi! Where are you going? Say hi, baby bird. Their names are Star and Sky. This bird right here, he's the one that's on camera, is Star. This girl is Sky. Boy and girl. What are you? Mwah. There we go. Come on. Step up. Step up. Step up. Good boy. Come here. Step up for a second. Step up. Thank you. Step up. Step up. Good boy. Hey, hey, hey. Ah. Step down. 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 Okay, just go there. Over there. Okay. So, this buddy. Ow. Don't eat me. I'm not going to be talking for a while. It can bit me. Just bit me. Alright. Anyways, I'm going to be showing. Anyways, I'm going to put him on the couch. So I'm going to show you they're on the couch, okay? What are you doing? Hey, come on. Step up. Good boy. Good girl. Good girl. Alright. What are you doing? What are you doing? I can chase it. I can chase it. No, you did it. You're so cute. Yeah. Okay. Where are you going? Anyway. Just for a little longer. I got some notes. Ah, he's so cute. Where are you going? Come back. Oh my God, you were so cute. You're so cute. Where are you going? Oh. Say hi. Oh gosh. I'm being eaten alive. The phone's being eaten alive. Okay. What are you doing? Oh, wait, no. Let's go. What are you doing? What are you doing, babe? Okay, bye. Alright, that's going to be it for the video. Say bye. Oh, you say bye.